Hi everyone! Are you encountering the frustrating pytube.exceptions.RegexMatchError gethrottling function name could not find match error? You're not alone. This is a very common issue when working with the pytube library, and it can stop your video downloading projects dead in their tracks. Don't worry, we're going to break down exactly what this error means, why it happens so frequently, and most importantly, how to fix it so you can get back to downloading videos seamlessly. First, let's understand what this error message is telling us. Pytube is a fantastic Python library that allows you to interact with YouTube and download videos. To do its job, Pytube needs to read and understand the structure of YouTube's web pages. It looks for very specific patterns within the page's code to find things like video URLs, audio streams, and other crucial information. It uses something called regular expressions, often shortened to regex, to find these patterns. The gethrottling function name could not find match. Part of the error means that Pytube was specifically trying to locate a pattern related to a throttling function, which helps manage download speeds and prevent YouTube from blocking requests. However, it failed to find that pattern using its internal regex. So, the regex couldn't find a match, and Pytube couldn't proceed. Next, why does this error happen so often? The core reason is that YouTube is a dynamic and constantly evolving platform. Google, which owns YouTube, frequently updates its website. These updates often involve changes to the underlying HTML, JavaScript, and other code that makes up the web page. Pytube relies on the specific structure and patterns within this code. When YouTube changes something, Pytube's internal patterns become outdated. It's like trying to follow an old map when the roads have been completely redesigned. The Pytube developers then need to update their library's code to match YouTube's new structure. It's a continuous game of catch-up, which is why these errors pop up periodically. Now, for the crucial part. How do we fix this annoying regex match error? The most common, and almost always the most effective, solution is to update your Pytube library to its latest version. The Pytube development team is usually very quick to release fixes when YouTube makes changes that break the library. To update, simply open your terminal or command prompt and type pip install upgrade pytube and then press enter. This command will download and install the newest version of Pytube, which should contain the updated patterns needed to interact correctly with YouTube's current website structure. If, after updating, the error persists, there are a couple of other steps you can take. You might want to check Pytube's official GitHub page. Go to the Issues section. Other users might have reported the exact same error, and you might find a temporary workaround or an acknowledgement from the developers that they are already working on a fix. Sometimes, if YouTube has just made a very recent change, the only solution might be to wait a little while for the Pytube team to release a new patch. They are generally very responsive, so an update is usually just around the corner. It's a good practice to keep your Pytube library updated regularly to prevent many common issues like this one. In summary, if you encounter the regex match error gethrottling function name could not find match, your primary and most effective solution will almost always be to update your Pytube library using pip install upgrade pytube. Thank you for watching this video. I truly hope this guide helps you resolve this common Pytube error and gets your projects back on track. If you found this information useful, please consider giving this video a like and subscribing to the channel for more helpful tech tips and programming tutorials. Your support means a lot to us.